All right, happy asynchronous Friday. Here is what you're going to do to get ready for IXL. So the first thing you need to do is go to Clever. We all know how to do that. You're going to scroll down until you see IXL. You're going to click on IXL. So here you'll see your dashboard. You want to click where it says Learning. So right here where it says Learning, you want to click on Learning. This is where you'll see all of your grades. We're actually scrolling down to 6th grade today. So we want to see 6th grade. You can see all 167 skills. So now your screen should look like this. Also make sure you're in language arts and not math or science or anything else. Make sure you're in language arts. So we're now in 6th grade language arts. You're going to scroll all the way down, all the way down. Keep going, all the way down. You're going to find KK1. It is capitalization. Correct capitalization errors. So you're scrolling all the way down to KK1. Remember that we are in 6th grade. You can double check that at the top of your screen. Where it says 6th grade, you can also double check that it is highlighted over on the side. So you're going to click KK1. It is then going to give you your problems that you're going to answer. So you're going to click, it says click to correct 2 capitalization errors. I'm going to keep going. As you go, you will see this SMART score keep going up and up. Some of you might finish this skill. When you finish the skill, you're going to take a picture of your SMART score and paste it in your classwork. If you don't finish this skill, you need to work for at least 25 minutes. So whichever one comes first, 25 minutes here or finishing the skill and getting your final score, whether you do 25 minutes or the whole thing, you still need to snip your SMART score and paste it in your classwork. So how you do that is you can go to the bottom. You're going to click snip, your snipping tool. You can just type in snip right here, snipping tool. You're going to click new. And then you just copy your SMART score. When you go back over to your classwork, then you'll just hit paste and you can do that there. A second way that you can do this is on your keyboard. There's a button that says print screen. It's PRTSCR. You can also click that button and then go over to your classwork and paste. So you're pasting the SMART score. If you're confused on how to paste and you can't figure it out, just type your SMART score into the document and that'll be okay as well. We can always double check to see if it's accurate. So if you're struggling with screenshotting anything, just paste or just copy it, type it into the box. And that is IXL.